Good morning, Lion Cubs. All right, so we're going to finish off list 4. And how this one is going to work is I'm going to show you the word, you're going to say the word, and then you're going to hear me say the word. The goal here is that you are able to get the word before I say the word. If you are not able to, that's okay. It just means we have to go back and practice a little bit more and then come back. But let's see how well you do. Are you ready? All right, let's begin. Miss. Idea. Enough. Eat. Face. Watch. Far. Indian. Real. Almost. Let. Above. Girl. Sometimes. Mountains. Cut. Young. Talk. Soon. List. Song. Being. Leave. Family. It's. All right. That concludes list 4. Hopefully, you were able to get all of those words before I did. If not, go back and practice and come back and try again. All right. I hope you've had a great day.